Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so excited to have you here today. On this episode, we're diving into the word anywhere, a versatile A2 level pronoun that means any place. It's a word that pops up in so many situations, making it a must-know for anyone learning English. Let's break it down. The word anywhere refers to any place, without specifying a particular location. You can use it when you're being flexible, unsure, or when location doesn't matter. For example, you might say, "You can sit anywhere you like," or "I couldn't find my keys anywhere." See how it works? Simple and useful. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for anywhere. Words like wherever, any place, and everywhere can often be used in similar ways. For example, "You're free to go wherever you choose," or "I'll follow you to any place you want to visit." Another one is everywhere, as in, "I looked everywhere for my phone." While these words have slightly different shades of meaning, they're all close relatives to anywhere. On the flip side, antonyms help us see the contrast. Words like nowhere, somewhere, and here show how the meaning changes. For instance, "I can't find it nowhere," or "let's meet somewhere quiet." Another example is "stay right here and wait for me." These words have a more specific or limited scope compared to anywhere. In everyday life, anywhere is incredibly practical. Imagine you're planning a trip and someone asks, "Where do you want to go?" You could respond, "Oh, I'm happy to go anywhere with a nice beach." Or when you're shopping, you might say, "I can't find this item anywhere in the store." It's also great for giving instructions like, "Just leave the package anywhere near the door." Here are a few more examples to bring anywhere to life. "I'll go anywhere you want as long as we're together." "Is there anywhere we can grab a quick coffee around here?" "You won't find a better deal anywhere else." These sentences show how versatile and natural this word can be in conversation. To wrap up, we've explored the meaning of anywhere, its synonyms like wherever, any place, and everywhere, and its antonyms like nowhere, somewhere, and here. We've seen how it fits into daily conversations and why it's such a valuable word to learn. Thanks for tuning in today. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps more people discover the show, and it means the world to us. I'd love to hear how you'd use anywhere in a sentence, so drop your examples in the comments. Until next time, happy learning!